Hello everybody and welcome back to a bit of everything channel. So today I will be doing another unboxing on the JBL. It's a JBL speaker and it's called JBL Wind. I do have another JBL speaker which is the JBL Flip 5. I'll talk about this more later on, but for now this is a more compact speaker, and I think this is greater suited to those who travel a lot on the road, or especially by bikes, as it has a lot of good features for that. All right. So what I'd like to talk about really quickly is the packaging of the box. As we can see, it's just a very small compact box, not too big. As we can see, we have the speaker just in the middle over there, with JBL Wind up here. On the top over here, I can see a couple of the special features that the JBL Wind has. And if you don't know what the features are on top, on the back of the box, it has all the features stated over there. Alright, as we can see, the colors that they've used on the box is orange. As you know, I think the JBL logo is predominantly orange with white, so it stands out a lot to the eye. Very appealing. Alright. I got this JBL speaker goes for around about $50 in stores, depending on whichever sells them, probably JB Hi-Fi or Kmart or something like that. Alright, so before I open it, I'll talk about some of the features. So one of the features of the JBL Wind is it has a bit of a wireless connection. From around 8 to 10 meters is the maximum range. And it also does hands-free calling. So if you wanna, while you're on the go, if you're riding a bike and your phone rings, then you have a feature to answer the call hands-free. Apart from that, if you're as you're on the go, it does have an FM radio as well. So if you don't have your own music, you can put it straight onto the radio. Apart from that, if you're just at home and you're not traveling anywhere and you're low on battery as well, it does have an AUX as well. It goes up to 10 hours. That's the maximum use time. That's depending based on the audio volume as well that you're using. And you can also add an SD card, so it has an SD card reader, and I'm assuming that you can play some of your music in there as well. Alright, so as we get started, I'm very excited to open the box and talk to you and show you guys all the features that it has as well. Alright, let's before I open the box, it does have a couple of tapes here and up there just to keep the box secure, but let's go ahead and open it. Alright, now we open it from the top and we pull this out from the tab, and as we can see, there's very well secured, and open it up like that. Alright, and as we pull out the speakers, here we go. This is everything that's inside. Alright, so first we have the JBL Wind. It's in there, and included in the box is obviously the manual for the JBL Wind. Have a look there. There we go, as well as this is the owner's manual. And what is this? This over here is the warranty card. So it does come with warranty as well. If you guys have any doubts with the actual speaker itself, but right. And it also comes with a carabiner over here, a clip. So you can put that on your belt strap, or maybe hook it somewhere and you can play music on the go. Here we have the charger. It is a USB and a micro SD. SD port. All right. Now we have just a small AUX cable over here included within the box as well. So if you don't want to do wireless, you can simply just plug in your phone, plug it into the speakers, and it will play as well. All right. So let's get to the main item. So the JBL Wind speaker. Let's pull it out. There we go, just push it from underneath. Alright, this is the speaker itself. It's very small, very compact. You can easily bring it around wherever you go. On the sides, I can see there's a bit of a button. There's an on button. We have the volume button, the play button and pause, as well as the answering the phone button. And as we can see over here, we have a microphone, so that allows you to speak. Obviously, when you're calling hands-free, we have the AUX in here, as well as to recharge. And this is the Bluetooth as well. The SD card belongs in there as well. Okay. Having a look here, we do have a clamp onto the speaker as well. So as I can see, you can unclamp that and clamp it on, whether it's your bike or your motorbike or anything where else you can clamp the speakers to. It's very nice. I can see that it's got a bit of a rubber feel on the edges. The speakers feel really nice in the middle. It's got that orange skin around there. And yeah, let's have a look. Let's see if we can put this into play. So here we have the JBL speaker in play. So just got it connected onto some music at the moment. As you can see here on the side, if you wanna put the volume down, just hold it, and then the volume will go down. And as you can see, as we hold the positive button, the volume will go up. So the volume up button. And as you reach the top, you'll hear a click sound or a bit of a drum sound, and that's when the volume is at max. If you want to pause the video, there's a play, or if you want to pause the music, there's a play pause button. There's pause, and then there's play. Alright. Speaking of the features as well, I can see that it does have a hook that comes with it. So if you hook it onto here, you can carry that like that. You can hang it on your bag, or maybe in the side of your pocket where your belt goes through. And essentially it is a small speaker that you can carry around. So another good thing about the JBL speaker is that it has intrusion protection. So intrusion protection 45. So for any small wires than 1 millimeter, it does protect it from here. It also has good water protection as well from moisture and all that as well. So the speaker is relatively capable of standing weather as well as other stuff like that. But essentially, I do like the JBL Wind. It's very good speakers for people who are just essentially wanting to travel by themselves in a motorbike or a car, and something not too aggressively loud to blast music, but something for them to just listen to and enjoy when they're outside. All right. Alright, so in comparison to the JBL Wind, I do have another JBL product, which is the JBL Flip 5. I would say, as you can see in comparison to size, it also means that the JBL Flip 5 does have a higher volume. However, in saying that, it is because though the JBL Wind is a smaller, compact, carry-around speaker. You can carry the JBL Flip 5 as well, but obviously you can't mount it on your bike or hook it up on a carabiner, unlike the JBL Wind. However, it is a very nice loudspeaker that I can use when you're outside, probably going for a run or doing a small workout. And it does have a really strong bass as well. Yeah, essentially these are the JBL products that we have currently, and I would recommend getting the type of speaker based on how you would use it anyways. If you're really big into music and you want the strong bass, I would prefer the JBL Flip 5. However, if you're not too big, you don't mind, you just want some music or something to listen to while you're on the go, I would recommend the JBL Wind, sorry. As you can also play FM radio on this. The JBL Flip 5 is just a Bluetooth connection. It doesn't have an AUX cord which you can plug in. There is only the power button and the Bluetooth button over there. We also have the repeat button. We have the volume button, and obviously the play and pause button right there. Alright, these are our JBL products, and I hope you guys learned something today and enjoyed watching the video. We'll see you next time on the Bit of Everything channel. Goodbye.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.